This thing's not going down all the way. Jam, jam, jam. Oh, took out these few little bolt screws here. 3 on the back side. Look what we found. Look at all those goodies down there. We got some chocolate wrappers, some jewelry, some ear plugs. Oh my word. We're gonna go clean that out.
Wait, what's the last time you did this?
I don't think we've ever done this in the 2 years. I've never had to take this part off.
Wait, how did you even find out to take this off?
The screen wouldn't fit in there anymore. I was thinking, what the heck?
Wait, what is that? Is that not one of Mom's feelings?
I don't know, man. There is so much down here. So much sand.
Why is that one of Mom's feelings?
The screw.
Oh, in your pocket. Elastic.
Oh my. Oh, got some money.
Sorry, from.
A key.
Sorry, Billy.
Another key. Oh, I'm a rich man. Quarter.
Wait. Well, that's really full.
That's really, still really full. Okay, we're gonna shop back that down there. We filled up a whole bin so far. Oh my, that is nasty. Okay. That's a lot of treasure. So let's put this back together. Victory! Okay, we just gotta sort through this, then fill the rest in the garbage, and we're good to go. Well, other than the lint all cleaned up, I got a few little good decorations. What do I got? I got some coins, some bracelets, an earring, and a rock. Pretty nice in there.